channel. Today we're going to do another Mystery Year-Star haul. So, if you weren't here for part 1, a Mystery Year-Star haul is basically where I collaborate with another friend of mine and we send each other our wish lists on Year-Star. Is essentially an online shopping retailer, kind of like Sephora but for Asian beauty. So including skincare, makeup, fashion, like gadgets, accessories, things like that. So, because part 1 was so fun to make, I decided to do another one with my friend Kit, and what we did was we sent each other our wish lists and one must-have items, so we will get at least one thing that we want the most, and the rest, according to our budget that we set, we could pick out any random things from our wish list. So we know that no matter what we get for each other, they're gonna like it, but it's kind of like that suspense and we don't know what we're exactly getting for each other. So it's really fun and I can't wait to do this. Ignore my face because it looks really swollen right now, but it just arrived today in the mail. So I got my mystery makeup haul from Year-Star from Kit, so I'm really excited to open it. Look at it. I can't wait to show you guys what I got, and I can't wait to see what she got me because like this is actually really exciting for me. So let's open it up. Look at how full this is. Oh my gosh. Okay. There are so many things in here. The Roman Glassing Water Tint. I'm Mimi, not I'm Meme. Bare Lips in Nutty. Pretty sure this is a sample. Okay. I've been wanting this for so long. The Roto Mentholium Lip Fondue. She got me the 3CE Mood blush. Oh my gosh, I love this formula. I'm so excited for this. The same primer. I'm really excited for this as well. Yes, the McQueen gel eyeliner. Sunshine Aura Heroine. She got me the Pony Effect brow. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. I love Pony Effect and I can't wait to try this. Oh, look at my face. It looks like a chipmunk. And this is the W Lab Airfit Pore Primer. This sample kit for skincare. Oh my lord. This is amazing. And what is this? I think this is another sample. It's from CosRx. Let's have a look. Oh wow. Okay, so there are 3 more samples here. That is incredible. Look how many samples I got. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Kit. Like, this is oh my gosh, 9 different things. This is incredible. Thank you so much. I'm so excited to try everything out and I absolutely love everything you got me. You are the best. So I'm back. I changed into another shirt because I feel like I would look more put together that way, and also because I found a white scrunchie and I thought this will actually match it. So first, to start off, I'm going to use the W Airfit Pore Primer. This is something I saw Robert Welsh talk about and I really love his videos and the recommendations of products he did earlier. So, ooh, look how cute and sleek that looks. And it feels really heavy and nice. Like, it feels very luxurious. I love this. I did prep my skin with some sunscreen, which is probably why you can see a white cast. I'm trying to use up one of my sunscreens and yeah, it does leave a white cast. So everything will be a first impressions as well. So this is super exciting. Basically, I'm doing a try on and a review. It looks kind of like the POREfessional by Benefit. The texture is much more moussier than the Benefit Pore Primer. The POREfessional, sorry. So far, first impressions, I really like the texture on my face. It's more like a gel than a mousse, like I said earlier. You can feel like there's some silicone-y textures to it and it's filling up my pores. I want to see how long this will actually last on my face and the staying power of it because this is really lovely so far. Next, I have the Cover Perfect Pot Concealer by The Same. So I have their liquid concealer. It's a tiny little tube and it is one of the most phenomenal concealers I have ever used. It is just so full coverage, lightweight, and it's just really pretty on the skin. Sometimes I don't even need to set it and it lasts me the whole day and it doesn't do like the weird creasy thing around my nose like most concealers do. When I saw they had a pot concealer version, I wanted to try this out since it is probably just as full coverage and I want to see how a cream concealer works. I'm going to try to limit my full face just with these products. So I'm just going to go in with concealer and completely skip foundation. I hope this shade matches me as well, because that's another thing with buying makeup online. You can't really tell what shade you are. It has the same scent as the liquid concealer. It almost smells like aloe vera. That's what I want to say. It's very fresh and not a very intense fragrance like vanilla or coconut or anything. I really like this concealer. I think it is pretty medium to full coverage and you can build it up. It doesn't drag around and it actually melts into your skin very nicely. I'm just going to do a little bit more underneath my eye. It's very, very nice. It doesn't feel heavy on my face, and I think my skin, my base looks really nice right now. For the sake of me testing the wear of this concealer and primer, I'm going to set half of my face with powder just to see how it performs normally, and the other half I'm not going to put any powder on and see if there's a difference throughout the day. That's it for setting this side of the face. Now I'm going to go in with the Lip Fondue by, I have no idea how you pronounce it, Roto Mentholatum. So this is in the shade 3D Aurora Pearl, and I'm not gonna lie, I purely wanted this because once I saw on Instagram this is the lip balm BTS's Taehyun V was using during an awards show, so I was like, yeah, I need to try this. You know, if BTS uses it and it's good and he needs to hide the brand because he's scared of it selling out, then I'm going to get it. That mentality is a bit questionable, but you know, it's one of the few things I can afford that they use on a daily basis. I mean, I can't avoid the like Balenciaga little triangle thing that J-Hope just has on the like table for dinner. So, you know, this wasn't too bad. So, had to get this as well. It does look very pretty, I'm not going to lie. It's very like unicorn-esque. That was kind of satisfying. I'm just going to put some over my lips just to hydrate it and not make it too dry throughout my makeup. It is very nice. It feels very thick. Oh no! It's one of those where you can only go up and you can't make it go down. Oops. I'll know for the future, so I'm gonna very carefully close the cap. It's very nice. It's very thick. I can see why it's called a lip fondue. I only put it on the top lid. I did my little lip smack thing and it spread it all over my lips and it feels very, very nice. It also has like a slight scent. Again, it's not like, it's really similar to the concealer. It smells like aloe and just very, very nice and natural. It has a slight shimmer to it, so it makes my lip look really juicy and it feels really nice. Next, I'm going to move on to blush. This is the 3CE face blush. It is, I'm pretty sure, part of the spring face mood collection. I already know I'm going to love this because I love 3CE products and I already have one of their blushes in another shade. So this is going to be incredible. And this is such a nice soft color. It is called Soft Salmon, so perfect description of it. And I love the packaging of it. It has this nice silicone velvet package which makes it feel really luxurious, and I just love how like it's clear here so you can see the shade of the blush. However, the downside to that is there isn't a mirror to this compact and it's a bit difficult for applying on the go. So here it is. It looks really, really pretty. Okay. The sunlight's not making it help, but it looks very, very pretty and a very nice corally salmon color. Talking about salmon, I haven't had salmon in so long. I really want to eat some salmon. I forgot how pigmented 3CE blushes are. Oh dear. But the good thing is you can always blend these blushes out. These blushes are absolutely amazing when it comes to blendability. The quality in general is just incredible. I like to bring my blush really high because I heard it makes it look more young. I don't know if that's a thing, but you know, I want to look young too. Instead of brushing it on, I'm going to tap it into my face and get the position before blending it out. There we go. It looks, as expected, beautiful. The product blended really nicely, and even on cream, it feels very, very nice and it looks very flawless. In fact, I actually think the side where I put it directly on my face without any powders and setting powder looks much nicer actually. It looks more natural. I've been really into orange blushes lately. I don't know why. Orange blushes and this kind of brick brown lipstick. I've been really into those shades lately. So you can definitely build the color up a lot, or you can leave it a really nice wash of color. So really enjoy this blush. And next I have the Pony Effect Sharpening Brow Finer. This is something I've always wanted to try as well, because Pony Effect is the brand founded by the YouTuber and beauty makeup artist Pony Syndrome. That is her YouTube channel, and I love what she does. It is just so satisfying to watch her put on makeup because she is so professional and her skills are phenomenal. And it's also really nice to have a break from really heavy glam makeup from hers to a more Asian soft glam. She is amazing. She is incredible. I really love her channel. On one side you have a spoolie. It is a very thin pencil, and the spoolie is pretty average, just like what you would expect. And the other side you have your brow pencil. It is incredibly thin and sharp. It's almost like the Precisely My Brow by Benefit. I think they're about the same width, so very, very fine. So now I'm going to fill in my brows. It is a very creamy formula, but it also feels quite hard and waxy, which I think is really nice because some brow pencils are too soft and you end up accidentally doing a Sharpie. So this is really nice so far. I really like how you can use a spoolie brush and just push everything and blend it together. It's really, really nice for shaping the brows and going back and combing everything through. I really love this brow product. It is so soft and subtle with its pigmentation, so you can build it up, and if you want to just gently fill it in a very nice natural way. Next, for eyes, I'm quickly just going to put some of the blush all over my eyelids just to give it some color before I put on some eyeliner. I really like when my face is monochromatic, so my eyes match my blush. I think it looks so cute, and it just looks very put together. It's like when you match your nails to your outfit or something. It just looks really cohesive on the face. For eyeliner, I'm going to use the McQueen gel eyeliner. It's the waterproof pencil gel liner. It is in the shade 7 Aura Heroine. These are all new, so I'm taking it out of the package for the first time. And oh my gosh, why is it so hard to get out? It is very, very small, but oh, I like when you can put the cap on the end. And here is the pencil. It's very sharpened, and I think it has a slight glitter to it. It is so smooth. This is incredible. It touches your lids and it just glides on. It is so nice. Like, I mean, I knew it was gonna be good, but I didn't expect it to be this good. Like, oh my gosh. And the color is fabulous. It is a dark brown with little bits of shimmer to it, but you can't actually see the shimmers once you put it on your lids. Oh wow, this is a really, really nice eyeliner. On the website for YesStyle, I thought this was like a more purpley, grungy color, but it's actually more dark brown, which I'm not complaining. Like, this is beautiful. I wanted to get the purple shade because I saw a video of Charlotte Tilbury with her Pillow Talk eyeliner, and it was like this really beautiful purple and it really accentuated her eyes. So I was like, I can't afford Charlotte's, so McQueen is just as good. My wings are definitely not symmetrical, but I love this eyeliner. If it stays all day, this will be a new favorite. Like my Sephora collection eyeliners, you're amazing, but this one, if it stays all day, I'm gonna have to order the full range because this is incredible. It looks so nice. I'm going to quickly curl my lashes and put on some mascara and then come back for the lips. I look like I didn't put on any mascara, but in actual fact, I put on 2 coats. For the last 2 products, I have 2 lip products. So this is the I'm Meme Bare Lips. I'm Meme, not I'm Meme Bare Lips. This is almost like a balm, I'm pretty sure, a tinted lip balm. And then I have the Romand Lasting Water Tint. So this is a lip tint, but it almost looks like a lip gloss. That's what reviews say. And I think I'm going to go with this just for today because it has more pigment to it and I'm already having a lip balm on. So I'll try this another time. But I will give an update in my description how this goes. So this is me barefaced with the I'm Mimi Bare Lips, I think it's called. It's like a lip balm texture and slightly tinted. It's in the shade Nutty. So this is a follow-up review on this. Really enjoy, will keep on using it. I'll probably use this for a no makeup look, or like something like today where I'm not wearing any makeup at all, only some hydrating lip balm and some lip color, but really like this. So highly recommend this and I love it so much. It is a lip tint, so I'm expecting this to be quite like a heavy kind of gloss. Ooh. It's in the shade Brick River, so as I was saying, I'm obsessed with brick shades for lips, so can't wait to try this out. It felt like a lip oil on my lips. It literally feels like a water tint. I don't know what's going on, but it feels so comfortable and light on the lips, and it has really cute color as well. It's not as bricky as I expected, but it's really nice, and it felt like a lip oil on my face, which is really odd because you would think for a lip tint it would be thicker and heavier. I have never tried a formula like this. This is incredible. I want to see how like it actually stains on my lips and whether it does tint it, but even as a lip gloss, this looks beautiful on my lips. Makes it look really juicy and glassy. I'm pretty sure it's not because of the lip balm. So I'm gonna try it again without the lip balm, but oh, in the sunlight it looks even more stunning. It's like, oh my gosh. I'm shook at how pretty this is. This is incredible. I can't stop being a narcissist. What is this? It is so nice. I will give an update on whether this tints my lips and how it wears throughout the day, so keep an eye out for that. But that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up or even subscribe to my channel. I had so much fun today trying out these new K-Beauty Yes Style products, and I can't wait to see you in future videos. Bye! So final review, everything looks absolutely phenomenal. Like the blush stayed really nicely. I can't actually see the difference between whether I powdered or not, so I think that's a good thing because it means during drier months like winter, so I can actually wear this without any powder. And I also was wearing a mask for 2 to 3 hours, and as you can see, nothing really smudged off, so that is really nice. Another plus as well. The only thing that smudges is like my mascara, but like that's not part of today. And yeah, it looks so good. I'm also really in love with the blush. The pigment is still there, it looks really nice. And the eyeliner, there's an airplane. The eyeliner still looks really nice. It stayed and it didn't smudge in my waterline. The eyebrows look perfect. The lips look really nice. And they're not dry, which I find really nice because most lip tints tend to dry out. They're almost like a velvet matte lip, and this one is not like that. That's about it for my update for the wear of this makeup. I am going to have to take this off because I'm gonna go shower because it is in the afternoon and my hair is too long for me to shower at night and then wait for it to dry. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up or even subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot, and I can't wait to see you guys for future videos, and see you next time. Bye! Me out in natural